We've got our patient Josie. Josie, how you doing, my friend?
Good.
Welcome to our humble clinic. So you've got this thing on the back of your knee. Okay, so for everybody's reference, this would be the thigh, this would be the gastroc or the calf area. This is the knee, the posterior aspect, and you can kind of see we got a bump here. How long you had this bump?
A few months.
Okay. And do you remember any kind of incident or anything happening to get this kind of started or swollen or irritated, anything like that?
Not that I know.
Okay. It's never drained to your knowledge?
No.
I'm not bothering you, am I?
No, you're not bothering me.
He's busy working on his... oh, you're watching videos? Okay, that's fine. That's good. I like that. That'll keep you entertained.
Yeah.
Josie, are you okay if we video a procedure for all our friends around the world on YouTube and so on and so forth?
Sir.
Awesome.
No. Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to numb this up a little bit for you. So we're going to take this out. What do you think? Does that sound good?
Yes,
All right. Are you ready?
yes, sir.
All right. We're going to spray a little cold spray.